The shotgun strap uses the single point sliding sling that we use for all our other products. And it's supplied with a nylon loop, a very simple little nylon loop that hooks onto the camera sling snap clip, just like this, slides. You simply take your shotgun and over, under, or a side-by-side. We haven't developed one to work with an autoloader yet, but simply slide the loop over your shotgun, down, and the loop stops here at the trigger guard. See this? The loop cannot go any further than the trigger guard, holding your gun very securely, just like that. What this allows the gun to do is to hang on the strap at your side, supported by the sling, allowing you to be hands-free. This accessory works great for skeet shooting, for sporting clays. When you're moving from place to place, you simply place your hand on your gun and walk. You don't have to carry the weight across your shoulder, in your arms. It creates less fatigue so that you can shoot longer and enjoy your sport much more. It works well for walking in the field. The gun can have cartridges loaded in it, but carried open and completely safe. To shoot, you simply load your gun or raise your gun, close it, bang, bang. Shoots very easily, open, and relax. Hands-free, very simple and easy and convenient. To take the strap off, you simply close your gun, slide the strap off. The strap's made of polypropylene, can't scratch your gun or do it any harm. The strap also works great for side-by-sides. Simply put it on the same way, slide it over, it stops right here at the trigger guard, can't go any further, totally secure. This polypropylene strap has a breaking strength of about 400 pounds, so that you're not going to, don't worry about it breaking on you, because it never can. Open your gun and relax. Hands free, your gun hangs conveniently at your side. Again, load, shoot, relax, unload, and let your gun hang easily at your side. That's the shotgun sling from TC Sling Straps. Another accessory for our shooting friends.